How are you all? Welcome back to our YouTube channel Entrepreneurship and Business. So guys, today in this video I am going to tell you the seven best apps for odd jobs from home. So guys, if you're interested, then watch this video till the end. So let's get started the video. Our first apps is TaskRabbit. Our first apps is TaskRabbit. So I am going to tell you types of odd jobs, get how to get paid, and what is TaskRabbit. So first types of odd jobs, handy person, and course and item delivery. So getting paid, how to get paid? You invoice your clients and get paid through TaskRabbit's secure payment system. What is TaskRabbit? TaskRabbit is one of the largest platform on the web for finding a getting paid and handy person for course type gigs. Some common jobs on the platform include like cleaning and modeling. So this is a very important, very useful apps for you if you're interested and if you have any qualities from these significant, so you can go through with it. If you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe this channel and to see more videos like this, and also like share the video. I have second apps is Favor types of odd jobs, like you can monetize your almost any skill or knowledge on Favor. If you have any kind of doubt related to these knowledge and skills, so you can monetize it. How to get paid? Getting paid, you set your own price. You can set your own price as you depend. Clients pay favor and funds are released upon compilation of agreed upon services. What is Favor? Favor is a freelance marketplace where you can offer a variety of produced services. The platform caters to freelance doing odd jobs in creative fields such as graphics, audio, as well as programming, tech and digital marketing, editing, logo design, social media management, apps development, and virtual assistant are some common gigs favored workers for clients. So if you're interested and if you have any kind of doubt related to this specialty and quality, so you can go through with it. Our next odd job apps is Thumbtack. So Thumbtack types of odd jobs, like both of odd jobs and professional service in various industries. Getting paid, you set your own rates and work out payments directly with the clients. Thumbtack Thumbtack has old job that don't require any qualification. You have no If you have any no qualification, you can do it, such as helping people move. However, such as the work available is professional service, everything from pumping to tax preparation to wedding photography and more. So if you're interested, Thumbtack, so you can download and throughout with this apps you can earn money. I have four odd job apps. Joval type of odd jobs, variety of jobs types, mostly temporary, but some part-time and full-time work is available. So if you have any time and any type, you can go through. How to get paid? So you get paid via direct deposit or debit card. Jobal helps you find a sort of odd jobs as well as part-time and full-time. If you ever interested, that said, most of the opportunity job are temporary gigs and such as seasonal and event-based jobs. So you have to know yourself how much time for available for you, so you can go through. I have fifth odd job apps is Woolhof. Woolhof is the most useful apps for money making online and home. So type of odd jobs, moving. So how to get paid? BSP based on mileage. So mileage, like your tips and bonus are available here. You get paid weekly and via directly deposit. Vlog is an odd job apps that lets people book moving service with a little hassle. As a vlog mover, you will get a lot of flexibility. You will get a set your schedule and set and can update your availability at any time. You can wait for any vlog and match with your gigs. You can go accept open job in yourself. So this is very interesting job. So if you're interested, so you can make money from this apps. I have 6 apps is Dolly. Dolly tap odd jobs moving furniture delivery. So if you have any truck and van, so you can go through and 50 to $30 per hour depending on weather. So you will get paid every Friday via PayPal. Dolly is an Dolly is an app centered around furniture delivery gigs, and although there is a moderate number of jobs involving moving assistant transporting items to storage units. So if you have truck or van, so you can go through with these apps. Our seventh and last apps is Fancy Handlers. Type out jobs virtual assistant. Getting paid 3 to 7 $7 per task to start. With opportunity for advancement, you are paid every other Thursday. Fancy Hands offers a variety of virtual assistant work. You can't just sign up, though you have applied to be accepted onto the platform. If accepted, here are some tasks you might do for company clients. So this is very nice apps and apps. If you interested, then go through with it. So guys, if you have any kind of doubt related to these apps, please tell in the comment box and write your opinion. If you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe this channel. Also like, share the video, and see you in the next video. Any kind of doubt related to these points, tell in the comment box, and see you in the next video.